I don't know how
How
much
much
syrup
syrup
would
would you
put
like?
her in a coma, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't either. How about just a
I'm dying
Is that
to
much
know.
okay?
Okay, so one time in primary school I had a raisin. And then some girl came up to me and told me raisins were dried out, old grapes, and then she kicked me in the shins and ran away laughing. I was about to eat that raisin too, until some mean girl crushed it in front of my face. She'll never know how much psychological trauma I went through. I don't like raisins that much anymore.
Okay, cool. The syrup looks good though.
What's Beetle trying to say? I don't know, and I don't really care.
But like, why are you just trauma dumping on me like that?
You remember my story about raisins?